Hi you guys, welcome to my video today. I'm going to be sharing with you 4 different apple cider vinegar detox drinks. So I love apple cider vinegar, but it does not taste good, you guys. So I have been making these different drinks. I wanted to share them with you. If you've been around my channel, you've seen some of my other detox drinks that I have. I have a whole playlist of detox drinks and teas. So I'll put that playlist in the description box. Check it out. They're all awesome. So I like to mix it up between all the different detox drinks that I have. But apple cider vinegar, so good for you. The taste, not so good. But I'm gonna make 4 different kinds, 4 different flavors, and show them to you guys. I pre-make, everything. If you've been around my channel, you know all my meal prepping. I just prep everything. So I'm gonna prep all these juices. I have these juice containers that I got on Amazon that I love. They are really, really great quality. Comes in a huge pack. There's like 18, I believe. So great, they're reusable. And they're plastic, but they're like a really good plastic. So I'll put a link to these in the description box. They're awesome, from Amazon. And I'm gonna make up these 4 different apple cider vinegar teas. So apple cider vinegar, it's so good for your health. It can definitely help in aiding with weight loss. It really helps make you feel a little bit fuller. So I like to have it before a meal, and it kind of fills you up before you eat and helps you not overeat, which is kind of one of my biggest problems. I'm kind of a little bit of an overeater, so that's why I portion out my meals and make sure that I have the correct portions. But apple cider vinegar is really good to help curb cravings, help you feel full faster. So really good for your health, really good in aiding and weight loss, and really good in keeping that blood sugar down. Really good for diabetes. I don't have diabetes, but if you do, really, really great for diabetes. So good for you. They recommend 1 to 2 tablespoons a day. And so it's 0 calories. And like I said, you guys, does not taste good. So I used to, way back, take a shot of it until I realized it's not good for your teeth or for your throat to take just a straight shot. And so I started making all these different mixes with it. But I love this brand, Bragg's. It is with the mother. That's what you want to get all the super awesome health benefits, you guys. So I'm gonna get all of these made up, 4 different ones for you. Let me know which one you're gonna try first in the description box. I like them all, but I hope that you really enjoy these, you guys. Like I said, I will link these containers in the description box. They are the best for making ahead this juice so that it's ready for the whole week. I will get this all going. So this one is going to be with apple juice and some cinnamon and my apple cider vinegar, and then a splash of this liquid Splenda. So I'm using my favorite juice bottles, and they're just so convenient for prepping this juice for the week. So I'm going to use a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar into each container. And I'm using 100% apple juice, and it's an organic kind. So you just want to make sure that you're getting the least amount of sugar added juice that you can. So I'm going to add the apple juice in. I'm going to do 2 tablespoons, and it has such a good flavor. And I just love the apple flavor in this one. I'm going to do a dash of cinnamon, and then the liquid Splenda, it just takes a little squirt, and it really makes a huge difference in these drinks. The kind of tart flavor of the apple cider vinegar and whatever kind of juice you're adding to it. It's not always the best tasting, but you add just a little splash of this liquid Splenda, and it just makes just the biggest difference. So I'm going to fill these up with my filtered water, and then these are ready to go. And I just love having a stack of these in the fridge, all kinds of different flavors, so I can pick and choose. I drink 2 of these a day, usually mid-morning and mid-afternoon, and I can just mix and match whatever flavors I want to drink. So these caps are really great on these bottles. So if you're just using these for the first time, they have a really awesome seal like these ones do. I reuse these bottles quite a bit, so sometimes I'm just reusing the cap. This is going to be a ginger one, and I just love crushed ginger. It has so much flavor, and ginger is really good for you as well. So I just love adding ginger to a lot of different things. 1 tablespoon of the apple cider vinegar, and I use the Bragg's brand. You want to have it with the mother. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of the crushed ginger, and this stuff has a lot of flavor, so you don't need a lot. I'm gonna do a little splash of the liquid Splenda, fill up with water, and then give these a little shake, and they are ready to go. Another really, really yummy, refreshing little detox drink. I just love refreshing drinks, especially now that the weather is warming up, and it is just a really great time to do a good detox and have lots of these drinks on hand. So this one's gonna be one of my favorites. It's lemon and then cranberry, and I get the just cranberry. It's pretty tart. There's no added sugar, but it is really good for you. So I have my lemon, have my cranberry, the liquid Splenda, of course, because I just love it. It just makes everything so delicious. So I've squeezed my lemons, and I kind of made sure there was no seeds in them as well. So you can do a tablespoon of lemon juice. Fresh squeezed lemon juice is just so refreshing and really, really good for you as well. So I love adding lemon to lots of different waters. But I'm going to do 1 tablespoon. You can do a little bit more if you would like. I'm just going to do 1 for today. I have my apple cider vinegar. And then I'm going to do 1 tablespoon of that. And then you can do, so for the cranberry juice, you can do 1 or 2 tablespoons. I've even done up to 1/4 cup. But so this one, definitely really good. And you can do a couple tablespoons to give it just a really nice, like kind of, it's a tart flavor, but it's very refreshing. So I'm going to do 2 tablespoons, but you can add an extra tablespoon also if you'd like in this one. So this one is going to be with lime and the liquid Splenda, and this one tastes like lemonade. It is so, so good. This is probably my favorite one. I don't know, I love them all, but I really love this one. It has such a great flavor, and I can just drink this one all day. It is so, so good. So I'm just squeezing the lime to get as much juice as I can out of these, and then I will add the apple cider vinegar, the liquid Splenda, add the water, and then I just love having this one ready for the week. Like I said, I love them all, but this one is probably my favorite because it is so refreshing, and it is just, I never get sick of this one. It is so, so good. I hope you enjoyed these 4 different detox drinks. I just love them. Apple cider vinegar is so good for you, really great for detoxing, really great for your health. So all these flavors are really, really good. I hope that you make them and love them as much as I do. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.